If you could choose only one calendar app for all, would you go with the simplicity of Google Calendar or the power of the new Notion calendar? Today, I'll break down both tools so you can decide which one actually fits your workflow. Whether you're managing your personal life, your team, or your entire business, let's jump right in. When it comes to Google Calendar, most people already know why it's a fan favorite. It's clean, fast, and extremely easy to understand. It focuses on one thing: scheduling events. You open it, add a date, set a reminder, and you're done. And because it's part of the Google ecosystem, it syncs instantly with Gmail, Google Meet, and your mobile devices. If you need a simple, reliable planner that works out of the box, Google Calendar does that effortlessly. But Notion Calendar, this is a different beast entirely. Instead of being just an event scheduler, Notion Calendar is more like a command center for your entire workflow. It connects directly to your Notion databases, which means your tasks, projects, content calendar, deadlines, priorities, owners, everything can live inside one unified view. What makes it powerful is that the calendar you see is simply a filtered version of any database you choose. Planning a project timeline, managing a social media schedule, coordinating team tasks. You can drag and drop items, assign people, update the status, and track progress, all without leaving the calendar. And the best part, Notion Calendar has true two-way sync with Google Calendar. So events added in Notion show up in Google, and events added in Google appear back in Notion automatically. No more switching screens or manually updating information. On top of that, you get advanced filtering and sorting. Want to see only tasks due this week, or only items from a certain project, or only high priority deadlines? A couple of clicks and everything reorganizes instantly. Teams can also collaborate in real time, share calendars, and manage permissions, making it far more customizable than a traditional scheduling tool. So which one should you choose? If you need something simple, fast, and focused purely on events, something you can rely on every day without thinking, Google Calendar is the obvious choice. But if you want a calendar that links your tasks, projects, and team workflows together, if you want multiple views, customization, and deep control over how your schedule is organized, then Notion Calendar gives you far more flexibility. So, Google Calendar or Notion Calendar, which one fits your life? Tell me in the comments. And if you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more smart productivity breakdowns. Thanks for watching.